Hey guys, Maximum Mechanics here. I was working under my hood the other day and I noticed that my cold air intake was loose. So let's pop that hood and get a peek. Let's go around to the hood. I'll show you guys where it's at and what you're looking for. This is your filter. This is where it's going into your engine. It's no bueno. On mine specifically, it looks like it got hot for some reason. Maybe road vibrations knocked it off and it got hot because it's sitting where it's not supposed to. Or the person just installed it wrong. So we're going to show you guys how to fix that. Let's get into it. All right, guys. See, in my case, my cold air intake was completely loose, so I didn't need to undo anything. But there is usually a clamp. You can get a flathead screwdriver, loosen it, take it off. Mine is already loose. You see, this is the issue right here. We need to bend this back. This is hard plastic. We're gonna get right into heating this up. I got my heat gun. Just gonna heat this up. You can use a torch. Heat gun or torch would be best. We're just gonna get it kind of soft so we can move it and open it up, and then hopefully get it on right and nice and secure. Let's go ahead and try. I'm gonna grab the pliers just so I have a nice firm grip. You can see how soft it is. It's gonna want to go back to that shape. So I'm gonna take my gloved hand and just work it out. This one, in my case, I think somebody tried to install it wrong, so that's why it's so messed up. And you're gonna need to kind of hold it there as it re-solidifies. We're just gonna go kind of section by section. You see, it's all kind of deformed. We're gonna hold it out as it re-solidifies, and we'll get this done and see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, we got this formed up decently. We're gonna see how this does, but we're gonna let this harden because this is still pretty malleable because it's still warm. Let this harden 5 to 10 minutes. That's usually enough time. And we're gonna try to put it in, get those clamps on, and we'll see you then. All right, guys, we got it melted on, and it took us 2 people just because this is a bigger one. Kind of needed someone to guide it and hold this other end right here of this hose. So, but we got it on, and now you see we got our clamp here. We're gonna push that over, and don't impact this down tight. We'll kind of get up in here. But I'm just going to use the impact because I don't want to turn a screwdriver. But we're going to kind of get in there. It's kind of difficult angle, but just get your bit in there. Get it over. Just nice and tight. And a few times. And you know what to say. That ain't going nowhere. That's how we fixed it. Let us know if you guys have had the same trouble. This is a K&R air intake. I've heard it's kind of common. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out our other videos. You can subscribe here or check out our videos here, and we'll see you guys next time.